Welcome back. Well, today we have some big news, and this is something that will interest all of you who are like me and suffer from chronic headaches. There is a clinic in town that is the first place in the world to administer a new medication for episodic migraines. Hart is the CEO of Mind Plus Neurology. It's a comprehensive headache and migraine clinic in the Milwaukee area, and Kelly Reynolds is the director of clinical strategy there. Great to see you guys. Thank you so much for being here. This is exciting. I mean, it's not an overstatement to say you're the first in the world to be able to administer this.
It's pretty cool.
Really cool.
Yeah,
it's gotta be exciting for you.
It's incredibly exciting. You know, we always say, you know, one of our core mottos is no stone unturned. We always want to make sure we have every single option that possibly is available that could be the best to work for our patients to be able to provide that to them. Being on the cutting edge and providing the latest in medication breakthroughs, super important to us. And so, so this trial is one where, which we just started enrolling in a couple of months ago, and we're still taking enrollees if anyone is interested. So it's a new trial, and we were the first site in the entire world to administer the medication.
Code on our screen. I just wanted to mention why it's there, and that's because people can click on that and enroll.
Yes,
right?
Exactly. And not only is it a new method, a new treatment that you can try, but also you get paid.
Whoa!
You can get over $1,200 for participating in the trial, and it's a pretty nice opportunity for patients to take advantage of.
I'll say.
But we are the only site that's authorized and approved for this medication in the state.
Wow. And why do you think that is? Why were you selected, authorized to do this?
So I think it's our ability to, one, the fact that we're operating on the cutting edge of this medicine already. Also goes a long way where we're led by Dr. Boobles, who's a double board certified headache neurologist who trained in headache at the Mayo Clinic. So, you know, we have a really experienced team that knows what they're doing, knows how to really help patients with these new kinds of treatments. And I think that definitely went a long way into in helping us make this happen.
It's really exciting. Kelly, I want to talk about the American Headache Society. They recently issued this new migraine prevention guidance related to a class of medications called CGRP. These are targeting therapies specifically for head pain, for migraines. Why do you think this is important, and why is this so exciting for people in your field?
Yeah, so the CGRP medications are the first medications that were really designed to specifically treat headache and migraine. And so with them, they come with really great results, very few side effects. They are relatively new, so they only came out in 2018, and the American Headache Society just last year revised their guidelines encouraging clinicians to use them as a first-line treatment for migraine prevention. And so that's really exciting. And for patients at home, if you're watching, it's really important to advocate for yourself because they are so new. Only about 20% of patients are on one of these newer medications. And so if you're not in love with your treatment, if you're not having crystal clear, pain-free days, give us a call. We can get you set up and started on one of these new medications as early as next week.
It seems like in the past, because I've tried a lot of different headache medications, starting when I was in my early 20s, they came with so many horrible side effects. I mean, you mentioned that this new classification, that there are the few side effects. That's a huge thing because it used to be like, well, should I deal with the head pain or should I deal with all this other stuff?
Yep.
Exactly. And so there's a new standard of care, and it's pain freedom, like crystal clear days with like really minimal side effects. So you don't have to live with the side effects to have efficacy anymore. You don't have to make that choice.
That choice, which is so exciting, I think. Last time you were here, you talked about migraine medications being new to the market. You're seeing this new influx of medications. You mentioned how few people are actually on them. What's exciting as it relates to breaking through the pain? Like, what are CGRPs, and why are they working so well for some people?
So CGRPs, like kind of how they work, you can think of a key going into a lock. When CGRPs are released by the brain and they bind to the other side of the nerve, that is what causes pain. And so how the CGRPs work, it's like putting a piece of gum in that lock so that you can't unlock that pain pathway anymore. And patients are just getting such good results. It makes it really easy to start a patient on these medications because we don't have to look at all the variables about what could go wrong with the older treatments.
It's wonderful. Really
Yeah,
quick, because we're running out of time.
Yeah.
Who's a good candidate for this? So if people are sitting at home, they want to sign up for this trial.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Get paid.
Yeah, so for the trial, basically anybody who's having more than 3 days per month where they experience migraine. That's it. I mean, that's really where it starts. And if you give us a call, fill out the form, go to the QR code, and submit your interest, we'll give you a ring later today, tomorrow, and give you some more information on the study, and to make sure you fully qualify. But that's fundamentally it. Have at least 3 or more migraines a month.
A lot of people are going to check that box. Great to see both of you here. This is so exciting. Congratulations on being the first in the world, too.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's incredible. So here's the deal. Again, if you have 3 migraine days per month or more and you're interested in participating in a new groundbreaking clinical trial, you can scan the QR code that you see there on your screen or visit the website. It's mindpl.us/AZ. If you want more information about headache treatments, you can visit mindplusclinic.com or call the main phone number. That number is 888-585-7975. All right.